if you are looking for a way to make ends meet during this inflation, embracing online opportunities is a good bet. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be discussing the inflation that has been happening in Nigeria since 2022 and why it's important for Nigerians to embrace online opportunities to make passive income. Now, let's get started. As many of you may already know, Nigeria has been experiencing a significant increase in the price of goods and services. And this is due to various factors, including the rising cost of fuel and food, as well as the devaluation of the Nigerian naira. This inflation has made life so difficult for a lot of Nigerians, and it has made it so difficult for Nigerians to make ends meet. The purchasing power of the naira has decreased significantly. This means if you had 1 million naira in 2021, your 1 million naira may be only able to buy things worth 300,000 naira, meaning the value of 1 million naira may have dropped to 300,000 or 600,000 as the case may be, even though your money was kept safe in your bank account. However, there is a solution to every problem under the sun. And in the case of the inflation Nigeria is experiencing, embracing online opportunities to make passive income is the solution. The internet has opened up a large possibility for people all over the world. Nigeria is no exception. There are countless ways to make money online, including selling of goods and services, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, investing in cryptocurrency, buying low and selling high, creating and monetizing content on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and so much more. There are lots of solutions available for every Nigerian if we can embrace online opportunities and possibilities. If you can put in the comment box, I'm going to be revealing several online opportunities that can get you money. The possibilities are so enormous that you can't even count them. One of the biggest advantages of making money online is the fact that it enables you to generate passive income while you go to work, while you sleep. What is passive income? Passive income is money that comes to you when you are doing nothing. If you are sleeping, you are earning. If you are driving, you are earning. And even when you are working, you are still earning. That is true passive income. Warren Buffett said, if you're not making money while you sleep, then you would work until you die. If you work on generating passive income at this very time, then you can be sure that it won't be difficult for you to meet up with the rising cost of fuel, of goods, and of services. You'll be able to meet up without complaining about the inability of your company to increase your salary. Another advantage of making money online is that it allows you to be your own boss. You can work from anywhere. You can even choose the hours which you want to work. That's the beauty of passive income, of doing online business and embracing online opportunities. This is very essential to those that are unable to find a good employment and a stable employment in Nigeria at this time. So if you are looking for a way to make ends meet during this inflation, embracing online opportunities is a good bet. And I think I should mention this here. This is not a sponsored video. Binance Cash is a cryptocurrency that enables you to earn passive income through Binance Cash staking. Now, this is true passive income, but do your own research. This is not a financial advice. Check it out. BinanceCash.io is a very good opportunity. If you can get that coin, get it, stake the coin, and you will start earning every single day. And of course, if you refer people to stake on that platform, you would also make passive income as high as 10% direct referral bonus, and 2% of the earnings of your downlines will also be given to you. This is cryptocurrency, which is very reliable and safe. But remember, crypto is very volatile. Do not invest more than you are able or more than you are willing to lose. Embracing online opportunities is one of the great ways to offset the effects of inflation in your life and in your families, and it gives you the freedom to become your own boss. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe so that you can get more informative videos like this, and click on the like button and let me see your comments below.